I look hella weird because I don't got no eyelashes on. I'm basically bald. Like I'm bald. Like I have nothing. Nada. My god. But why is that, you may be asking? Or not. That is because, as you saw in the freaking title, chicas, we're gonna be trying out this Total Temptation eyelash, this Total Temptation mascara. Now I'm gonna be the first one to say here that I honestly never give a shit about mascara commercials. It is not a thing. Like me, it's not like I see a mascara commercial. I don't know if this is how you guys are, but I don't see a mascara commercial and I'm like, oh my god, I had to have it, I have to have it, oh my god, it's gonna make my eyelashes grow, oh my god. Like, that's not me. I don't really pull towards commercials, especially for makeup that's in the drugstores. I really don't see myself like a commercial making me want to buy it. However, did you guys see the freaking ad, the freaking commercial, whatever you guys want to call it, for this mascara? It is legit so good. I actually like the song in the freaking ad, and I've been trying to look for it, but I can't find it. I just find the little ad, like the 30-second ad. But the song is so good, so I was like, hey, you know what, this is the first time I actually feel like this is a good commercial, so I'm gonna go buy this mascara and try it out with you guys and see, does this mascara really work? Does it really gonna make my eyelash pop? Is it really gonna make guys be tempted? Is it really gonna be a total temptation? Is it? So if you guys want to see if this product works, yes or no, then just keep on watching. So if you stuck around, thank you so much. I love you so much, and of course I don't want to forget to give, that's like so weird, the shout out. Today I want to give a shout out to Jenny Martin. Thinking that's how you say your last name. I want to say Martin because I'm Mexican, but I don't know. Thank you so much for subscribing. I did subscribe to her channel as well because she does have a channel. It's really cool when I get to see your guys' profile. I do go and screenshot the name of the page or channel, whatever you have, and it's nice to see when somebody does actually have a channel and I can support back. So thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. You're super nice. And if you guys want to be in the next shout out, don't forget to leave your comment down below. But yes, today we're going to be trying out this mascara. Does it work? Does it not? We don't know. But this is the packaging, guys. As you guys can see, it's super cute, super pink, super adorable, really sexy, and it's just like perfect for Valentine's Day. I feel like, look at this, how cute is this? I mean, like, yeah, what else can I say about this? It's just the mascara, so let's just open it up and try it already. And I do realize I have a lot of energy today, but it's just like, I'm so happy because I've been doing back-to-back like videos today, and it's just amazing because I start school tomorrow, so I'm just like, no. So I really wanted to pre-film today a lot. So here it is. It's actually pretty freaking fat. I don't think I've ever had a mascara this fat and long, but it's so thick. So thick. Look at this. So this is how it looks. The one is super fat. This is like literally huge. Like the wand is huge, the packaging is huge, everything is huge. So I'm just gonna bring you guys a little bit closer. What am I doing? I just think like this mascara is just bringing the crazy out in me. So as you guys can see, I have no mascara, nada on my eyelashes. Are almost non-existent as a single. They're like, where are they? But they're there. They're right here. So I've literally not even dipped it in again, and look at this. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm so impressed right now. I'm so impressed. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I am gonna dip it again just to see if I can make it even bigger, but like already I'm already fucking shocked. Like my life is like, what is it? Because this is crazy. Like that is a lot of volume. That is total. So I did have to reposition my camera because my camera died. Like it literally died, so I had to go charge it. So sorry if it looks a little bit different. So let's just apply this one more time. This is my second time taking it. So this is the second time applying it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my bottom lashes. Guys, holy crap. This is only two times dipping into the mascara right here. I didn't want to do it even more. I felt like it's gonna start looking like spiders. But can you guys see the difference? It is freaking obvious. Like, wow, I am so impressed right now. Super impressed. I did go ahead and put on these cute little kitten ears, but I am gonna go finish applying the rest of the mascara on my other eye because I don't want to finish the video with one eye and mascara. That would be so weird. And I'll come back and tell you guys my final thought. Honestly, hello, if you guys saw my reaction, you guys know that I would highly recommend this product. First impressions, it honestly proved everything that it's supposed to do. I honestly don't really think commercials are real, especially when it comes to eyelashes. I really never think that. I have like really small eyelashes because I torture them every day with putting fake ones on. So to make my eyelashes this freaking huge and totally flirty, really good mascara. Please let me know if you guys want me to try out another mascara from the drugstore, but I'm really in love with this one. The packaging, everything. I did think that the one was really fat and it was gonna make my mascara go everywhere. You guys saw how I applied it. It did not do that. It honestly worked really good, and I highly recommend it. So if you guys want to see how much it is and all that, I'll leave the information down below. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. So, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!